If your WhatsApp messages are not delivering in 2026, this is exactly what you need, because this issue is more common than you think. You send a message, and instead of 2 check marks, you only see 1, or none at all. So in this complete guide, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not delivering messages step by step with real solutions that actually work. Let's get into it. First, what does it mean when messages are not delivering? On WhatsApp, 1 check mark means the message was sent, 2 check marks mean it was delivered, blue check marks mean it was read. So if your message is stuck on 1 check mark, it means it hasn't reached the other person's device yet. Now let's fix it. First fix, and the most important one, check your internet connection. If your connection is weak or unstable, messages won't deliver. So try this. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then restart your router. Then send a new message and see if it goes through. Now second fix, check if the other person is online. Sometimes the problem isn't you. If the other person has no internet, has their phone turned off, or uninstalled WhatsApp, your message won't deliver until they reconnect. Now third fix, check if you've been blocked. This is important. If someone blocks you on WhatsApp, your messages will stay on 1 check mark. Other signs include, you can't see their last seen or online status. Their profile picture doesn't update. Calls don't go through. If you notice all of these, you may have been blocked. Now fourth fix, restart your phone. This clears temporary bugs. Just turn your phone off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on, then open WhatsApp again. Now fifth fix, update WhatsApp. An outdated version can cause delivery issues. Go to the App Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity. Now sixth fix, disable VPN. VPNs can interfere with WhatsApp servers. So, turn off your VPN, restart the app. Try sending messages again. Now seventh fix, check background data and permissions. If WhatsApp doesn't have permission to use data in the background, messages may not deliver properly. So, go to your phone settings, find WhatsApp, enable background data and all necessary permissions. Now eighth fix, check date and time settings. This might sound small, but it matters. If your phone's date and time are incorrect, WhatsApp may not connect properly. So, set date and time to automatic. Now ninth fix, clear cache, Android, or reinstall the app, iPhone. Corrupted files can cause issues. So, on Android, clear cache, on iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. Now 10th fix, check if WhatsApp servers are down. Sometimes the issue is global. If WhatsApp is down, messages won't deliver for anyone. In that case, you just have to wait. Now here's an important tip. Don't keep sending the same message repeatedly. This can spam the system or trigger temporary restrictions. Instead, fix the issue first. Then send your message. Now let's quickly recap. To fix WhatsApp messages not delivering, check your internet connection. Make sure the other person is online. Check if you've been blocked. Restart your phone. Update WhatsApp. Disable VPN. Check permissions. Fix date and time. Clear cache or reinstall. Check server status. And that's it. These are the fixes that actually work in 2026. If this helped you, let me know. Are your messages stuck on 1 check mark or not sending at all?